Let's work.
Hey, what's up, babes? Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you everything that I got in this month's BoxyCharm. The theme of this month is flourish, and I feel like with all the changes going on in the world, there's nothing you can do but flourish from it all, right? This card here has all of the prices of all of the items that I'm about to show you, and I'll let you know what my choice item was as I pull it out of the box. So if you're wondering about this look that I just did, I just created this look for TikTok, actually. I've been having a lot of fun making different looks for different old school hip hop songs. And I actually saw this look created by, I believe it's Jerry Glammed _IT on Instagram. It's one of those photos that came up on my explore page, and I was like, I want to try that. I have so many rhinestones. I'm constantly playing with the gems and stuff like that. So I wanted to see if this would look as awesome as it did on her, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. I really, really like it. I was nervous about getting the lashes on because I didn't really leave any room for the lashes, so they're on there. They're holding on, so that's a good sign. However, it's not an everyday wear. It did take me quite some time to get them all on there, but I would definitely do it again. I would definitely do this look again. I think it's so cute. Anyways, let's go ahead and get on with what's in this BoxyCharm box. So the first item that I can feel is Shadow Flip Multi-Chromatic Shifting Liquid Eyeshadow. Normally I like to open these boxes and do the look with you guys, but today, because I already did the look, I'm just going to show you the products that I got. So this is actually really pretty. Multi-chromatic. So last time BoxyCharm had actually given me 3 different eyeshadow products, but I mean, no control, right? I have no control over that. That is really pretty. So as you can see, let me cover my face here. As you can see, it's got like that pinky purple color, and also a tint of green if you look from the side. It has all different sorts of shades in there, so that's really cool. That is from Ciate London. I'll go over the prices with you guys afterwards when I'm all done with it. And then I got the Violet Voss All of You Forever palette. I recently purchased some Violet Voss items from the last add-on shop that BoxyCharm had. But these are super, super pretty. These are all like the greens and neutral colors that I really, really love. So I'll have to try these on with some green contacts just to get the full effects of them. Here, let me swatch a couple of these colors for you guys too. So that really pretty green in the bottom here, this is called All of Me. And let's just give you a little swatch here next to that monochromatic. And that's really pretty. Let's see what else. We'll do this bottom shimmer here called Juicy right next to it. Just to kind of give you an idea of how pigmented their colors are. Like, Violet Voss is my favorite. Honestly, one of my favorites. One of my favorites. Okay, next item I have here is the sponge, and I don't need that. The next item I have here is, okay, so this was my choice item. This is the Murad Moisturizing. So it's step 3. It's the City Skin Overnight Detox Moisturizer. And whenever BoxyCharm gives us a choice of skincare, I do always pick the skincare because I find that stuff like this is super, super expensive. And I was actually watching, I don't know what this is. I don't know why I gotta watch something like that. I'll look into that a little bit more after. But I was watching Kathleen Lights do her unboxing as well today, and she was saying it was like $70 something US. So I'll let you guys know the full prices at the end. So it is an overnight detox moisturizer. You use it at night, massage evenly over face, neck, and chest. Ooh, over the chest too. Okay. Detoxifying and revitalize skin overnight. This breakthrough formula with antioxidants from the Marubium plant neutralizes pollutants while you sleep. Vitamin C helps brighten an even tone, while nourishing botanicals help visibly reduce fine lines and wrinkles. I'm obsessed with everything vitamin C these days. I love a good moisturizer with vitamin C, but sometimes if it doesn't have it, I actually purchased something from The Ordinary that you can put into your moisturizers to give it that extra plump anyways. All right, the next item here is Hello Fab Coconut Skin Soothing Priming Moisturizer. So safe for sensitive skin. I really do love First Aid Beauty. They had something a little while back in the pop-up shop, and it was like the bump eraser. I did try it on my skin, and I found that in the moment, it made my skin look softer and kind of took the bumps away. But over a longer amount of time, I found that it caused more irritation on my skin, and then you're just kind of relying on the product. So I didn't like that. So I did have to stop using that. And this is completely sealed. So Coconut Skin Soothing Priming Moisturizer. Priming moisturizer. Okay. So this kind of avoids that step of having to do moisturizer and then primer. So I'm interested to see how that works on my skin. It says safe for sensitive skin. I don't really have sensitive skin, I don't find normally. I have irritated skin sometimes, depending on the food that I put in my body. But other than that, not too sensitive. Okay, and the last item that I have here is interesting. Manna Kadar Pluck It. So a 2-piece tweezer set. And I'm going to be honest, I'm always looking for good tweezers, so that I'm okay with this. I think it's very rare that we get stuff like this in BoxyCharm boxes. So, I mean, as long as I'm not getting tweezers more than once a year from BoxyCharm, I'm happy with this. I think the last time I actually got tweezers from them was in the Brow Bar by Rima, actually the brow kit that they sent out. And the tweezers in that kit, sorry, I love Brow Bar by Rima. I love everything that she puts out, but I do not love the tweezers. They were not good quality. They were very light, which is nice, but did not do the job. They didn't pluck anything really. So I'm interested to see how these ones work out. You do get the pointed tip as well as the slanted tip, which I'm a picker and I'm a plucker. So I will definitely be using these. So let me let you guys know all of the prices of everything that came in the box today. So like I said, the Murad Vitamin C Moisturizer here is a MSRP of $74. Again, that's USD. So in Canada, it's like probably around $100. Crazy. The Violet Voss All of You Forever palette is $34. Again, US. I'm in Canada, so 50 bucks maybe around. The First Aid Beauty Smoothie Priming Moisturizer is $30. And this Ciete London Shadow Flip, $20. $20 for one shade. I get that it's monochromatic, so it's kind of like 3-in-1, but $20 for a single eyeshadow is expensive. And then these tweezers here are $18 MSRP, which I mean is reasonable as long as they are a good pair of tweezers. And it's a duo, so I mean it sounds reasonable. All right, so in total, 108, 138, 158, 168, 176. So in total, this box is worth $176, which is actually on the lower side of BoxyCharm boxes, because normally my box comes to about like $250, I would say is my average range of pricing for them. So $176, but I'm not mad at what I got. I love that I got, you know, a priming moisturizer. I love that I got that Violet Voss eyeshadow palette. Those are things that I will definitely be using. Now, the Ciete London eyeshadow, no shade, but it's not something that I would go to and use on a frequent occurrence. And what was the other thing that I got? The Murad. So the Murad, for me to pick the vitamin C overnight moisturizer and then also get the First Aid Beauty moisturizer, I feel like it's too many moisturizers in one box. Spread it out over 2 months and I would be okay with that. Getting the Ciete London eyeshadow and then the Violet Voss eyeshadow as well. I mean, pick one and then maybe a lip product. You know, that would be really cool if BoxyCharm was doing that instead. I do feel like they're kind of doubling up on specifics in each box lately, and I mean, that's not my favorite thing. I love trying new products. I love trying out new brands. When I like doing these videos, I usually like to do like a try-on video with it at the same time, but I find it's hard if you give me 2 different eyeshadows, 2 different moisturizers. That's difficult. However, I still love my BoxyCharm, and I still think that it's incredibly worth it and affordable for all the products that I get in the box. Like I said, $176, that's USD, so it's closer to $230 Canadian. And I just got 5 different high-end products that I would have gone out and paid for full price, that I definitely feel like I saved money on that. I feel like it's worth it. The other thing about BoxyCharm that makes all of this worth it is when they have the pop-up shops and the add-on through BoxyCharm once a month. Today was actually one of the pop-up shop days where you can go in, choose your one item for the month, and purchase some high-end products up to 80% off. But when I did try to get into the pop-up shop today, unfortunately it was a long wait. And a lot of people that did get in at a decent time had a full cart and then the site crashed. So that's frustrating, and I know that they have no control over that anyways. That happens. But with the add-on shops, usually if there's pretty good items in there, like I've been purchasing my Fenty foundation for, I think it's like $12 USD, whereas in Canada it's like $42 full price. So there are some things that make BoxyCharm really worth it, even if you feel like the products that I got were not your favorite. Next month is a new month and you could get something different. And I love the fact that you get to choose one of the items anyways. All right, you guys, I don't want this video to be super long, but please hit that like button on this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you so much. Bye.